Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Pitaka thin and light case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In this case, obviously it's available for the other devices as well, but it's on a 15 Pro Max in this video. Very, very nice case. This is probably one of my favorites in terms of just something to keep on the phone to keep it from getting all scratched up. It does protect most of the phone. It's got a very nice camera cutout with raised edges to keep your lenses off the surface when you set your phone down. Nice cutouts for your buttons. The only thing about the titanium phone is the buttons are fully exposed. So you have an exposed area there, you have an exposed area there, and you have an exposed area over here. So just seeing what I've seen about the titanium, the only thing that I would worry about is you're going to have fingerprints here, and possibly some scratching, just depending on how rough you are with your phone. And that may just look a little weird if you ever take the case off because all this is covered. And then of course down here around your charge port and stuff like that, if the phone's in your pocket with anything, it can get scratched up down there. But overall, not a big deal. The top is open as well. But very, very nice case. It does not add any bulk to the phone whatsoever. It feels very, very nice in the hand, and is, like I said, overall my favorite case just for protecting the back of the phone and still retaining that original feel. So it is 600D Aramid fiber, thin and light. There's some specs back there. It is MagSafe compatible, which I'll show you here in a second. Maybe, I think I have a MagSafe wallet over here I can show you. Let me see. So fully MagSafe compatible. Works with all your mounts, your chargers, all that kind of stuff, no issues right there. And then I have a knockoff MagSafe charger here, but you can see charges just fine, no issues. I use it with my MagSafe battery pack as well, and no issues there either. So very, very nice case from Pitaka here. Again, it is the MagEZ 4 for the iPhone 6.7, aka Pro Max. Thin and light. I will have links to this on Amazon where you guys can pick one up if you're interested. Just check out the description below. And as always, I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.